China strikes again on a weekend. They just released the secret sauce literally behind Claude Code and Codex. And this is much bigger than any type of like new AI model news. DeepSeek just released DeepSeek harness. And let me explain to you why this is, one, a massive deal, and how this is going to change the way that agents are actually built. And of course, you guys can set this up. Just comment AI. I'll shoot you over the link to the GitHub, or you could just go to my profile. It's all right there. So right now, for example, Claude, GPT, DeepSeek are the brains behind AI. But a brain alone can't actually build the app, right? It needs access to your files, to your terminal, to all the tooling, your memory. It needs to run actual code, test things, fix things, and use agents to do so. So that entire system around the brain is actually what's called a harness. So Claude Code has their own harness. Codex has one also, and they're all closed harnesses. DeepSeek just said, hey, you know what? Why don't you, as the user, build your own harness? Because their new harness is open source and anything can be swapped in and out. So you could, for example, have like ChatGPT handling your architecture. You could have DeepSeek writing your code. You could have another model doing something completely different. And then also another agent checking security. But all of this is working inside of one coding system with all your own tooling, memory, rules, skills, the stuff that we've been used to. And the great thing is this records everything that your agents are doing. So all the sessions can now be resumed, they can be forked, they can be redeployed. This whole thing is massive. Like, it's completely fundamentally changing how these new systems are going to be built. So is this replacing Claude Code or Codex? No, obviously not. But it's showing you where the future is headed by making these open systems that people can actually use to build their own custom systems, which is nuts. So this goes back again to the whole open source Chinese strategy. And I think this is a big one. So before we had obviously the AI wars, everybody talking about the best models, but now the agent wars have officially started. And the fact that China has already made this move by creating this GitHub repo that is open source, so you could create your own harness and swap in and out exactly what you want, all the different models, it's a big deal. So if you guys want access to it, let me know right there. Just comment AI and I'll shoot you over the link to the GitHub repo. But I think it's like a 250,000 stars at this point, and it's only been live for like 24 hours. So pretty insane, exciting, and kind of scary if you think about for Claude Code and Codex, because they're essentially showing you under the hood how the cake is made, and now you can just do it all yourself without having to be in a closed environment like those systems.